Moa.
Mamong.
Yeah.
Mango.
Oh! I told you! I told you! I told you! I told you!
Bago mo lang yung natutunan.
I told you!
Because I have Thailand viewer, my family.
What's hi in Korea? 감사합니다. Ano sa'yo? What's in Korean? What's hi?
Thai?
Hindi, in Korea, hindi. Korean, in Korean.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요.
In Korean, that's hi. Hello?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요?
Yes, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요?
저는
jogging. Hello. What's I love you in Korea?
나는
What?
나는 널 사랑해.
나는 사랑해.
사랑해.
I love you too. 사랑해. 나는?
And in Philippines.
In Philippines, lagot kay Elma. Lagot kay Elma.
Lagot kay Elma.
Yeah, very good. That's I love you in Philippines. Lagot kay Elma.
Not joke.
Lagot kay Elma. Lagot kay Elma.
Everyone, is this joke? I can't trust him.
No, it's very true. True.
No, I can't. I can't trust you.
It's mahal kita. But
Mahal kita.
other term is lagot kay Elma. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're very, very beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you for kindly.
Always respect the Korean people.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Kamsahamnida.
Philippines.
And saranghe. And
Mahal kita.
naintindihan. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Sige. Hindi na ako naiintindihan, nag-a-adjust sa akin, no? No? Mahirap yung ganun eh. Kala ko si Sandara Park na siya. Kilalanin